The session on film projection will mainly focus on what is changing in the practice of film projection nowadays. Cinema has been about traditional film projector for about 120 years. You had to thread a roll of film, a film strip with images on it, into a projector and make sure you were perfectly on time in changing reel at the end of every act. In the last 10 years, most cinema replaced their film projector with digital projector, and with that the whole traditional practice of projecting films has changed. Leenke Ripmeester has been a projectionist for many years, and she's also a scholar. She has reflected a lot about the practice of film projection. Film projection is an art in many ways, and there is very little known about this art. And I think it's really the responsibility of a film archive to discuss it and share the secrets of the film projectionist with a larger audience.